The best way to get the fitness results you want is to get a personal trainer, which is why NordicTrack includes one with your purchase. The best place in the world to work out is in your own home, because it is consistent, convenient, and leaves the excuses for someone else to make. Let me show you what a personal trainer in your home looks like with your NordicTrack. First, get on your machine and let's go somewhere exotic, like Paris, or how about Santorini, Greece? Actually, how about running on the beach in Bora Bora? Your trainer live controls your machine to match the speed, incline, decline, and the duration of the trainer's prescribed workout. Stick with your trainer to build glutes, abs, arms, legs, stamina, and endurance. While you're exploring the world, you get expertly crafted workouts designed to transform you into a new improved version of yourself. The Smart Response motor will run as long as you do, a guarantee we back up with a lifetime warranty. To get the results you want, you need to stick with your workout routine. Running outside can be painful, which is why we built the Flex Select cushioned deck. It's a feature you're going to love from day one. The size of the tread belt is optimized to give you a long, powerful stride. When your workout is done for the day, simply fold up the deck to save space in your home. At NordicTrack, we are dedicated to empowering you to achieve your fitness goals. Interactive personal training in your home, on your time. Welcome to the family.
Increase your fitness level and boost your cardio workouts with the Sunny Health and Fitness P8700 motorized pink treadmill. Reduce impact on your legs and joints with the 6-point shock absorption system, and intensify your workout routine with the manually adjusted incline levels. The treadmill supports a maximum user weight of 220 pounds. Sprint up to 9 miles per hour with the 2.2 horsepower motor. Track your progress with the backlit digital console, and adjust your speed easily with the 3 conveniently placed quick select buttons. The easy-to-use handrail controls allow you to manage speed, check your heart rate, and start and stop workout sessions. Stay in touch with your smart device with the convenient tablet holder, or cool down with the easy-to-reach water bottle holders. When finished, fold up your treadmill and use the transportation wheels to easily store your machine. Take your fitness routine to the next level with the P8700 motorized pink treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness.
Getting in a quick workout has never been more convenient. With the SereneLife Folding Smart Treadmill, you can easily pair any phone via Bluetooth and log into the free iFit Show Sports app to turn boring exercise routines into exciting fitness sessions. Create customized fitness sessions, or quickly select a preset training mode, and you're off to the races. Monitor workout data on the LCD screen display as you go, including speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate through the built-in grip sensors. You can even adjust the speed settings on the go, as high as 6 miles per hour, in case you want to kick things into the next gear. Or if you're looking for a more relaxing routine, or even a way to exercise while you work or watch a movie, it comes with a removable laptop or tablet stand. And with an integrated safety key and emergency shut-off button to cut power instantly, you never have to worry that a distracted stumble will leave you hurt. And when your workout is done, you can easily fold it down and store it away until the next one.